This is your feed and stock report for Wednesday, January 28th. The information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Based on a couple sales in central Alberta on Tuesday, steers 900 plus 461 to 474, 8 to 900 487 to 530, 7 to 800 534 to 567, 6 to 700 593 to 648, 5 to 600 680 to 745, 4 to 500 770 to $8, 3 to 400 863 to 875. Heifers 900 plus 428 to 432, 8 to 900 465 to 468, 7 to 800 475 to 522, 6 to 700 526 to 567, 5 to 600 609 to 638, 4 to 500 668 to 710, 3 to 400 730 to 812. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Tuesday saw no new trade report, but there's a good chance Getter trade will develop by this afternoon. Packer inquiries have been noted, and there have been rumblings steady to higher money is out there. Weakness in the US dollar has rallied the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar is trading at the highest point since July. Canadian beef exports for the month of October were 9% larger than last year. From January to October, the top three markets for Canadian beef are the US, Japan, and Mexico. These three countries account for just over 90% of total Canadian beef exports. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Tuesday, D1 and 2 cows, $2.17 to $2.25, D3 cows, $2 to $2.07. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought $2.24 to $2.40. In the U.S., other than a few cattle trading in Iowa, at mostly steady money, business has been quiet in all other feeding regions. Significant trade will likely hold off until Thursday or Friday. There have been reports some cattle have been set back with the recent storms. Reduced slaughter volumes have also lent support to the beef complex. Choice cutout values are trading at the highest point since December. Select cutout values are trading at the highest point since September. National Border cows averaged 305.30 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 73.82, up 22 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. February 234.90, down 70. April 236.50, down 90. June 232.47, down 77. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta Beef Producers.